Angelus Leather Preparer, also known as Deglazer, comes in this 5-ounce bottle or a 32-ounce quart. It's a step up above from the 802 spot remover made by Angelus, making it a little bit of a stronger cleaner. It's formulated to strip off finishes or glaze off before using a paint from Angelus or any other brand or product, as well as dyes, or just to refinish the color of your shoes or any other leather goods, as well as removing a bad shine job that you may have come across, especially here at DIA Airport. With a little bit of elbow grease, you can actually remove some of the original factory pigment before you're trying to drastically change the color of your leather goods. You definitely want to scrub it down really hard if you're trying to do that, and be patient with it as well. Definitely for best results, you're going to have to put in some elbow grease to strip off that original pigment, but you'll probably need 2 bottles for a pair of boots or shoes if you're going to be trying to get a lot of that pigment off, and be very patient with it. If you're just trying to clean off that surface area to reapply a new finish or use an acrylic paint of some sort, you'll probably only need 1 bottle for a pair of shoes or boots. And as well, through the 15th, we have all Angelus products at cobblersplus.com, 10% off, so make sure you check that out if you need any Angelus goods.